In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open Google Tag Manager. If you're managing a website and looking to streamline your tracking and marketing tags without bothering your developer, Google Tag Manager is the place to be. So let's get started with these simple steps to gain access to this powerful tool. First, you need to navigate to tagmanager.google.com. This URL will take you straight to the heart of Google Tag Manager. It's a good idea to save this address in your bookmarks for easy access in the future, especially if you'll be checking in often or managing multiple sites. Once you're on the Google Tag Manager homepage, the next thing you need to do is log in using your Google account, the one that is linked to your Google Tag Manager account. If you have multiple Google accounts, make sure you're choosing the one associated with your Tag Manager. This will ensure you have the correct permissions and can access the right containers. Now that you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the Google Tag Manager interface. Here you'll see a list of containers linked to your account. A container in Google Tag Manager is essentially a holder for all your tags, triggers, and variables for a particular website or app. Take a moment to locate and select the container you wish to work with. If you're managing multiple sites, each might have its own container, so accuracy here is key. Once you've selected a container, you're ready to start navigating within Google Tag Manager. At this point, you're set to add, edit, or review your tags, triggers, and variables. This is where you can really get into the nuts and bolts of why you're here. Tags are snippets of code or tracking pixels from third-party tools like Google Analytics that collect data from your site and send it to platforms. Triggers, on the other hand, are the conditions that must be met for your tags to fire, while variables hold values that your tags and triggers need. A quick tip, always remember to preview and debug your changes before publishing to ensure everything works as expected. This function allows you to test tags in a contained environment without affecting your live site. And voila, you're all set up and ready to go in Google Tag Manager. I hope this tutorial has made you more comfortable stepping into the world of managing tags. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more informative guides to help streamline your digital processes. Feel free to leave your comments and questions below the video. Happy tagging!